What's up, guys? Today is June 22nd, 2024, and I will be covering the severe weather from all the way from Ohio, even parts of Canada. Like, there's severe storms there, and I will also be covering, like, New England over the next few days. So, right now, let's zoom in here on Wisconsin. So, here in this red box, we have a tornado warning, and you can see, I think it's probably right about there, that they considered that a tornado warning, because when the green and the red mix like that, it means, so like the green means it's going towards the radar, and the red mean it's going away from the radar. So when those two meet, it kind of makes like a rotation, like a form of telling you that it's rotating. I don't know if it's on the ground right now, but there's definitely like a rotating storm there. And now what we see right now is we see that it is actually crossing Lake Michigan now. We have a marine warning here. Just on like the western side, like to the east of Milwaukee. And we see over here we have I think those are flood warnings. That's where excessive rounds of rainfall have landed, and it will impact like major flooding. I don't know how much rain there will be there, but it should be quite a bit. And let me switch apps Okay, so where I live, we will get hit pretty hard tonight. It will stop eventually later on in the night, but I'll show you guys the severe weather lookout. Hold up. So right now we have a marginal risk for places up in New England areas, like New York and maybe parts of Canada up there. And then over here we have a marginal risk and then a slight risk inside of that. You'll see a few tornadoes here and there. I don't think that they will be on the stronger side, but I do think that you will see tornadoes in the shaded area that I just shaded out, possibly. And then I do think that up to the north by Canada up here, you won't see tornadoes. You may see a bit of hail, maybe a damaging wind threat, but no tornadoes or anything like that. Now let's go to let's look at the radar. We see that there is some heavy thunderstorms, and I do think that there is a tornado right now in the Janesville area moving east. And then there's also a marine warning to the east, to the east of Milwaukee. That's it's coming. The storms are coming across Lake Michigan right now. These are, some of them may not be super severe. There may be a few severe thunderstorms from Lansing, from probably, I'd say, Battle Creek west, probably to Des Moines, Iowa. for Des Moines, Iowa, it's most likely gone. You probably won't have any more storms today. Here over here, there's severe thunderstorms currently right now. With there's like supercells that are clustering together, and they're not staying discrete, so they will not. I don't think that they will produce a tornado. They have a slight chance of producing a tornado, maybe, but you got maybe a 2% chance. Maybe not even that. But back over here, let's focus in on Milwaukee here. It looks like maybe in the next 10 to 25 minutes, they should get hit. It is kind of like a little, it's not like a super big chunk of storms, unlike where Beloit is in Wisconsin there. But Milwaukee might get a severe thunderstorm warning. Now let me switch apps real quick. Hold up. So this is the day 1 risk right here. So of course we have this the slight and marginal risk through Michigan, stretching all the way down into Kansas. We also have a marginal risk up here. You could see some hail up there. You got a 5% chance of hail, and same with the New England parts of the United States. You might see some tornadoes from stretching from Lake Huron to Missouri, but really the highest chance for tornadoes would be North Illinois. Pretty much all of the northern Illinois, you could see tornadoes there, and probably the southeastern parts of Wisconsin, you could see tornadoes. You could possibly maybe see some tornadoes in Grand Rapids, north areas, with a 2% chance of a tornado there. And then if we go to the wind, I think the wind threat for most of these storms are the biggest concern. Here we see a 15% chance, and then in the brownish color we see a 5% chance of not tornadoes, sorry, wind. We could we could see some damaging wind, maybe break branches off, and probably. Sorry about that. My dad came in and was talking to me a second. But anyway, let's look at the counties here. We can actually see where we'll see where where you could see some tornadoes in Michigan. So probably the very northwest of Allegan County, you could see some tornadoes. Maybe you could see a tornado possibly. But most likely you'll see the tornadoes in the zoomed in area right here. That is the biggest risk for tornadoes. For hail, this isn't gonna be much of a hail storm. You won't see much damaging hail possibilities. But it's only a 5% chance, so it's not gonna be that bad of a hail threat. Let me switch apps real quick. Hold up.